Okay, so this problem is about 15 meters before you get to Saint Elizabeth, which is the turnoff for Terrachin. And I'll just show you, Stephen, to remind you, we've got this creek that comes down. You can hear it. There's the opening of the culvert there, that little gray pipe. And here is the road. I mean, it's passable. I'm going to drive over it in my Subaru. But yeah, that's the hole there. This depression is about I would say about a foot deep below the road surface. Not sure. There's the culvert coming out on the lake side of the road. So not sure if the culvert has collapsed internally or whether it just needs some gravel and repatriation. That might be the only issue, is to just, like, it needs, I don't know, somebody said like less than a yard of gravel for here. So that's the deal.